How to make a looped picture in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Creating a looped picture effect means making an image cycle or move continuously, often for things like slideshows, image carousels, or animated backgrounds. You achieve this by combining HTML for structure, CSS for style and animation, and JavaScript for logic and control. In HTML, you start by placing your images inside a container element. CSS helps position and style the images, and can create basic transitions or keyframe animations to slide or fade them. JavaScript is used to control the timing, order, and logic of the loop. For example, JavaScript can automatically change the visible image every few seconds using setInterval, creating a looping effect. You can also make the loop responsive to user actions like clicking arrows or swiping on touch devices. To make it seamless, JavaScript can reset the image index back to the beginning once it reaches the last image. This type of functionality is common in portfolios, e-commerce sites, and galleries. It helps showcase content without overwhelming the user and keeps your interface dynamic and engaging. Learning to create looped picture effects teaches you how different web technologies work together to create interactive experiences.